Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Savannah and I already know what you guys are going to say. It has been a long time since I posted a video on this channel. Today, however, I am here for a very exciting new video as I've partnered with a very exciting and beautiful brand, Moitie Cosmetics. If you guys do not know about them, they are an eyelash company. So they do 10-day lashes, which basically are lashes that are pretty much like your own DIY lash extension that you apply to your own eyelids, which is great, especially in today's climate with the pandemic and everything like that. It's just better that you know what you're doing to yourself rather than going somewhere else right now. It's the perfect way to just like amp up your look without having to worry about what other people are doing to your face. I, for one, have never tried lash extensions before or fake lashes. I have never done anything before to my lashes, so this is a first for me. If you guys stay tuned for this video, you guys will see how I apply these lashes, how much I love these lashes, and just how much I love overall this product and this brand, Moitie. I am so thankful for them for sending me over their products, and I am so excited to get into this video to show you guys what amazing lashes these are, especially for somebody who's first time trying on lashes. Like, it was extremely simple. It was an amazingly quick and easy process, and I want you guys to have the same experience. So basically, they set me up with a few different kinds of lashes. They sent me over a few boxes of lashes. Some of them are more natural than others. I'm wearing one of the more natural sets, but they definitely do have some others which are more out there, especially for if you're going to like parties. Like, nobody is really right now, but like in the future, or to be honest, like even if you're just like home and you want like a pandemic style, because like who doesn't want that, you know? These tweezers with it, I absolutely love these tweezers. They are so pretty. They're gold and completely on brand for me, so I was really excited about that. They also come with the Moitie Magic Liner as well as the Moitie Cosmetics Lash Glue. So there are basically two different kinds of lash lines that Moitie carries. One of them is the 10-day lashes, which is great for people who want a DIY eyelash extension kit. They literally stay on your eyelashes for 10 days, which is absolutely amazing. I personally have never tried anything like that before, but now with my experience with the Magic Liner, it makes me really want to try it out. And so basically that's great for people who don't want to go to an eyelash extension parlor, especially right now. This is a great way to just kind of do your own eyelash extensions, have them on your eyes for 10 days, and not have to worry about anything happening to your natural lashes. But what I'm going to be trying out today is the Magic Liner. And basically what this is this is a magnetic eyeliner. So no glue attached, no glue included. You basically just draw the wing on your eye with this Magic Liner, and then the eyelashes that you take with your pretty little tweezers stick straight to your eyeliner, guys. Like, wow. This is the future. This is 2020. You guys will see it in the try-on that I do. And I will show you guys just how thick and black this liner is. It is absolutely amazing. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's bold, it's great. I didn't really even need to go over it too much. Normally I have to go over my eyeliners like 2 or 3 times to make it extra bold and black. And that's literally all I needed in order for the lashes to attach properly. So I am so excited for you guys to watch this video. You guys, this tip is so precise. It is amazing on making a wing, as you guys will see in the try-on portion. I'm just so happy with it, and it is so nice and bold in that color. Look at that. Hi guys, I wanted you guys to have an up close and personal with me as we look at these products because they are super cool and they need to be viewed close up, especially because they are lashes. So welcome to this extremely close up. What I have is my mirror handy, and that's just so that I can look in this, because looking in the viewfinder would probably not be the best idea. I also have the Magic Liner. I am so extremely excited to use this Magic Liner. Like, you guys don't even understand. I have never used anything like it before, so I am so excited. And then of course I have the rest of my kit here, including the lashes, including the tweezers that I'm going to use to be putting them on, and everything from there forward. So let's get right into it. I'm just looking at the difference between the different lashes right now, just trying to decide which one I'm going to go with. I wanted to go for something more natural, so I think I'm going to go with these. They look kind of wispy and pretty. And then I also have my tweezers, my Moitie gold tweezers, that I'm going to be just taking the lashes off of here with and placing them onto my eye once I do my wing with this really cool magic liner. Okay, so first and foremostly, I'm going to talk about this liner for a second. It was so easy to apply. It was so easy to do a wing. It did not tug on my eye whatsoever. It felt extremely comfortable to put on. And it's really like thick and dark, which I'm really surprised at. So I am going to just touch up the corner there, and then I'm going to let it dry a little bit, and then I'm going to try and apply the lashes. Basically, now what you do is you are just going to take your lashes on your tweezers, and you are going to apply them to your lash line onto the magnetic wing, which I just think is so cool. Wow, I literally just felt it stick onto the liner, which was insanely cool. Wow. That was like insanely cool. Wow. Okay, so I felt it stick to the liner, and I just kind of clamped it together with my natural lash. This is just the one on the outside right now. This is the first one I've done. And once I put more, obviously it's going to look even better. But that was probably the easiest thing I've ever done. I thought that was going to be a lot harder. So yeah, let's continue with the rest of the eye. Well, okay, wow. Okay, so I've got one more to do. Okay guys, that is one eye. You can literally see such a difference in the eye with nothing and the eye with this beautiful liner and these really, really pretty natural looking lashes. I am so happy and so shocked with the way these turned out. Like, I literally think I'm going to wear these on Saturday to my bridesmaid luncheon. I am so, wow, like, I'm shocked. I just feel like they are so beautiful and natural. The other one's extremely close up. I just wanted to show you guys these from a natural angle now and kind of zoom in on what they look like. I cannot even believe it. So I'm going to do the other eye and we're going to see how that goes. See, that was so easy. I like can't even. That was the easiest thing I've probably ever done. Okay. Wow, guys, what the heck? I'm literally wearing false lashes. I have always like steered away from wearing false lashes because I thought it would be so difficult to do. I thought they might look too fake on me, but these ones look absolutely so pretty, guys. Like, I'm looking at the viewfinder, I'm sorry, because I'm just literally like in shock at how cute these are. Oh my god. I am super pumped about these lashes, guys. So I've also heard that they are waterproof and that they do stay on for 12 hours, which I'm very excited to see. And I'm really happy already with the way they feel on the eye. They don't feel unnatural on me. They do feel longer, obviously, than a natural eyelash, but they are really great. Now that my lashes are on, I'm going to be doing the blow dry test, which Moitie says that the lashes will hold up with a blow dry test. So I am going to try it out. I'm going to make sure that my blow dryer is on cold. And I'm going to go ahead and do it. Wow! That's crazy. Blowing away in the wind, and they look really, really beautiful. I'm super duper happy with the way that they turned out, and I just think that they look so pretty. They complement my eye shape. It was really easy. The process was super duper simple, and I would most definitely do it again. So that is the video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I am done the process of applying my eyelashes. They stuck like glue, quite literally. This is my first time ever trying any type of lashes, and honestly, I am blown away. I'm completely and utterly blown away by the process of applying these lashes. That was absolutely amazing. So go ahead and check out Moitie Cosmetics, you guys. I will leave a link down below for you guys to check out their products. Please try this magic liner. This is absolutely amazing. I would definitely purchase this again. This is great for going to events. I would have definitely, if I had known about this sooner, I definitely would have worn this to like my engagement party, like even my engagement, like if I had known. There's so many things that you could use this for. It's just amazing. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below on what you guys think about this natural instant lashes. I am just absolutely blown away, and I would love to know your comments about it as well. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!